Tanya just woken up and we are about to have some breakfast. And today we're gonna talk about egg. Oh, that's crazy! Okay, this is a hard-boiled egg, which Tanya only eat the egg white. She doesn't eat the egg yolk. So, and we all know the nutrients are in the yolk, and I just have to find a way for you to eat the whole egg.
Can you put the egg first? Did you see the white?
Yeah, we see the white egg.
I see all the white egg.
Can you eat the egg yolk too?
No. Yeah.
Right.
It's all done. This egg.
It's all done. So, okay. So tell me why you don't like to eat this egg.
Because I don't like the yolk.
What I'm gonna make for her this morning is very simple. It's a steamed egg, and the ingredients are just 1 egg and about 4 tablespoons of milk. Let's get started. Crack the egg. And start beating. Add some milk. Continue to beat and just make sure all the mixture is well combined. Just make sure there is no lumps. Let's put it in the microwave. Now the key here is just low and slow. Well, not too slow. My microwave is 800 watts. So I'm putting it down to medium low and doing it for 4.5 or 4 minutes 40 seconds. Yes, it's done. Let's check the egg. So it's pretty hot right now. Once it cooled out, it's going to cook a little bit further. So this is perfect for Tanya. But if you like them cook a bit more, just extend the time for another 15 to 20 seconds. Now let's scoop it up. See, it's really soft and smooth. Enjoy! If you like this, give us a thumb up.
Leave this one later. How about this one first? I have to cut it up like this.
How's that? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss our new videos.